My gosh, you guys, I'm so tired. I just got up like 5:30 in the morning and fed the dogs because Coco, my dog, just thinks that it's appropriate to get up at all hours of the night. And yesterday, oh my God, I was so tired. She got up at 2:50 in the morning and like stayed up. So my husband and I were like so sleepy, and I have so much to do. Like, my kitchen is a disaster. This is the laundry. It's clean. I just haven't folded it. Like, I did not have the energy yesterday to fold it, and it is sitting on my dining room table. And this is the laundry that I still have left to do, plus all of that stuff. Send help. How did me and my husband, like, what, I don't even know how we ended up with this mess. Like, crazy. So yeah, and I have been having to get up. Let me get out of here because Coco's slurping. But for those that don't know, my dog Boots, this little girl right here, this one, last week she had to go to the vet because I got her groomed on December 18th, and then about a week and some change ago, maybe I don't know, about that week and a half ago, I was rubbing her belly, and these two really large lumps had were on her belly, like near her growing area, her lady parts, whatever. Anyway, 5 years ago, she had a mastectomy on one of her boobies, and that's kind of where the lump was. Well, I was like, okay, well, let's go see what that's about. Like, let me take her to the vet and figure out like if she needs another surgery or like whatever. And mind you, she's 14 years old, so we didn't know what what was going on. Well, I made her an appointment, and then it snowed, so I was like, okay, let me like push the appointment off till that Friday. Well, Thursday last week, she like was whimpering, and she was up at like 3 o'clock in the morning, and I was like, oh my gosh, like maybe they've got another appointment for her. So I took her last Thursday, and the vet was like concerned. She was asking me like, was she peeing more and was she doing this and that? And I was like, yeah, a little bit. And so they tested her for a UTI, which she didn't end up having. And they put her on antibiotics and pain medicine, and she finishes that dose tomorrow, and she's much better. However, they still might have to do a surgery, which is like $1,700. And I changed all her food. Like, I started cooking for her. This morning she had kibbles with some gravy from some pot roast we had last night, because I need to go to the store. But I've been cooking. Like, I make her like a lean meat and all the like good vegetables and stuff. So I have to take her back to the vet tomorrow or Friday and see, probably Friday because my husband's off. So, and then we're going to see where to go from there. If she's still going to need the surgery or if it was just some kind of infection in her lymph nodes. We don't know. But yeah, so I've just been like overwhelmed. That's my best friend, y'all. She's my best friend. Bookie. Lulu. Or Jelly Bean, as we call him, because anytime you call a dog, he's right there scratching. Ow. Dude. Scratch my arm. Anyway, stop. So I've just been like tired, a little overwhelmed, and then when Coco got up at 2:50 yesterday, I was just like, I really can't function. Like, my husband needed work clothes, so I was like, I'm just gonna wash them. I can't guarantee anything else. And so now they sit. So I'm gonna clean my kitchen and take y'all along with me, and I guess do a little vloggy vlog today and figure out like what I'm gonna do for content. And also, you guys, my little channel's growing and I'm so excited. Like they have this YouTube Studio app and I check it in the morning to see how like videos are doing. And it's growing. I'm so excited. So like the first goal I think you have as a YouTuber is to get to 500 and then the next goal is 1,000. And I think your videos have to be watched for like an insane amount of hours before they like monetize your videos and you start kind of making a little bit of money off of it. So keep subscribing. I need it, guys. Anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna go clean this kitchen and get this laundry done today, and that's gonna be my exciting day. I'm also going to have lunch with my grandkids at school with my daughter, which obviously I won't be filming that, but and then my daughter's best friend, who is like a second daughter to me, wants me to do some stuff to her hair this afternoon. So I'm gonna be doing that. Yeah, so y'all wish me luck because that's a lot of laundry to fold. So I went and got my tripod so I could chat with you guys while I'm doing this laundry. But anyway, y'all let me know. Because I have so many like different types of videos up. Like literally I have one for like I've left up. I think I had to turn the comments off, but one of me like cleaning a Louis bag like 3 years ago that does really well. I might have to update that at some point. And I have some like sober content. I've got because you guys, if you don't know, I am sober. Like I do not drink. I don't do drugs. So I don't know if you guys want to hear like more about that. I actually saw a girl, this is what gave me the idea. It was on one of my pages or like my suggested videos or whatever, and it was a girl who was doing like sober dry January, I think, and she was like vlogging her like sober journey, and I was like, typically what I do for that is right around the holidays, because I feel like that's when all the pressure is for everybody to start like drinking excessively. I'll put out a couple of videos talking about, you know, being sober and like how to be at parties, and not feel like you're sticking out like a sore thumb if you don't drink. But if you guys are interested in that kind of stuff, I could definitely go more in detail with that. Or, you know, if you're just here for the vlogs or if you're just here for, you know, the makeup content that I'm, you know, doing, that's great too. I personally love vlogs when people are like behind the scenes. I don't know why, I just love it. Like old school vlogs, those are my favorite. Like I do watch, like I've said this before, like I watch a lot of like beauty influencers and stuff, and my literal fave is when it's behind the scenes and they're like, you know, I don't know, just doing their day-to-day stuff. So I don't know if that's like something you guys are into. It seems like, for like when I look at like the video analytics and stuff, it seems like other than the one where I was talking about the coffee maker, like the like how-tos and the cleaning my purse, like those always do really good, because the coffee maker that's on my channel that I have didn't come with instructions. But people think I'm a barista, and I'm like, nah, I'm just trying to tell you how to turn it on, sis. Like you can figure out the coffee stuff yourself. But yeah, let me know like if there's something that I can, if the content that y'all specifically like. Let me know what you want to see. Like tell your girl all about it, and we can make it happen. I will say this. I'm laughing about it now, but your girl, like, I usually don't get tempted to drink anymore. Like, I kind of know that it's just not good for me, and I'm just not going to do that. But I did have this the other, like it was Sunday, and I'm gonna save the details because it involves like my family members or whatever. But we had like, I had a panic attack. That's what it was. Like, I'll just break it down like that. I had a panic attack. And for that moment, I was like, oh my gosh, like I totally need a drink. Like I would totally drink. And, you know, then like second thought is like, oh, absolutely not. You know, absolutely not. I'm not drinking over this, or, you know, whatever. I've worked too hard and come too far to be spoiling it over, you know, someone else's actions. So I didn't, but your girl came close. I am creeping up quickly on 6 months of being alcohol free, and it's well, this time, let me say that because I don't know if you guys know, but I've definitely gone years and years, you know what I'm saying, and not drank at all. And then I'll kind of dabble back in it, and then, you know, but this time I just don't want any parts of it. So I was pretty shocked when I got like, when for a moment my answer was, oh girl, you need a drink. But I was okay. It took a second to pull myself out of the panic attack I was having, but I digress. If that's content that you guys want and you want to hear like more about that, then I can definitely do that. I feel like it's definitely something that is important when we live in an alcohol obsessed world. You know, it can be a little bit hard to be the one who's like, no, I'm not going to do that. So if that's content that you like, we can definitely do that. If you're here to hear about my faith in Jesus, we can definitely talk about that. Or if you're here for my love for strawberry shortcake, I'm just kidding, we're not going to talk about that, but I do love me some strawberry shortcake. And I think it boils down to, like, that's when I was innocent in my life. I was 4. Crazy life, y'all. But anyway, let me finish this, okay. We have a clear dining room table for now. Okay, guys, I didn't realize, like, my vlog was getting so long. It's only 6:30 in the morning. I still have a ton to do. I'm gonna sign off for here, so I guess it'll be like a fold my laundry with me vlog, because that's what it turned out to be. But anyway, I love you guys. Subscribe. Oh my gosh, you guys, help me get there. Help me get there. Okay, I love you. Bye.
If you like Grandma's videos, then subscribe yet.